Hi, everybody. This is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Thursday, October 31st, 2024. So it was a scary day for the market today, and it's one of the, this is the biggest obstacle when you have seven stocks that are weighted, that are basically pulling up the NASDAQ and the S&P and accounting for almost 80% of the gains. When they don't perform perfection, this is what happens. You have two stocks that are down pretty good, ends up bringing the other ones down, and everything just kind of snowballs. So it was a big day. Apple's earnings is today. Maybe they can turn it around tomorrow. I wouldn't be surprised to see some type of rally. I'm not sure about how it closes, but early, even it just, I'll give you my reasons why. So here you can see we have these bullish divergences on the 15-minute chart here. So the thing is that when we were trading up at the right around that 57.36 level, 57.37, in the report I said, you got to watch for the 57.07 to become a magnet, and this is the reason why. If we look at the daily chart, this is the moving average. So this was going to be a magnet no matter what, and you can see we took it. Now maybe we do something like this. I don't think we're going to be heading up until after the elections, and is no guarantee that it's even going to head up. Like I said, there's a lot of uncertainty out there with what's going on. A lot of people believe that Trump is going to win. He should win, but they've tricks up their sleeves, so we got to just wait and see. But my point is that you're not going to see anybody making any big bets heading into it. So I'm not expecting to see something like this just because we're at the moving average right now. If the bears can break through this, let's say they don't like the earnings report from Apple and we gap down again, then we're looking at support coming right around that 56.40 level. And you can see this is where, right around this level here, because it's at this top. But the thing is that this is the important support zone. It's going to be from the 46.60 down to the 46.37, say 60.40. If the bears can break through it, there's a chance we're coming all the way down into the 5,500 or lower. We had bearish divergences, so this makes sense. On a 60-minute chart, you can see we don't have any bearish divergences. So that kind of is why I would be thinking that we're going to get some type of bounce, maybe even up to this 50 or 60 level. We have to, I'm not going to really predict where, but it gets held down and then comes back down again and maybe touches the 56.50 level. That should give us some bullish divergences and give us a little bit more of a safer trade on the long side. We did take a long trade today, and that was right. We had this buy candle right here. I told everybody it was a scalp trade. I was looking to make a little bit on it, and ended up just on 5 contracts, made a couple $1,000 and 2,500, and things played. But then from there, we got out quick because this is really, the trend is down, and you do not want to be holding on to long positions, but you can get some pretty good bounces. And I'm not a big fan of chasing gap downs, so I kind of stay away from them. I wait for any kind of buy signal. Once we get that, I took it in, and then from there, that was really basically it. That was the whole day. It was when you get these big gaps, it's hard to get setups just because everything's moving so fast. So here we go. This is what the bulls need to get above the 56.36. If they do that, well, let's just say 57.41, because this is the 23% retracement. It would be over this resistance. If we see that, then this would be the magnet right here, the 57.64 level. If they get above that, then we're looking back up at the 5,800. But I think that max, right, unless something happens with Apple and they love these earnings and they gap all the way up here, this is going to be probably the top of here, maybe even a little bit higher, coming to the 57.75. But anywhere in this zone, this will probably be the best way to do it since I did it last time. This is the zone that you want to be shorting. Anywhere from I would say the 57.64, 57.83. Now, if we open down, as I said, really the next kind of support that we have is right at that 56.79 level, and if we get below that, then we have this support that's right at the, where are we here? The 56.16. So the bulls they're definitely on their heels right now. I think with the elections only 3 trading days away, I don't really see any big moves to the upside. If anything, people getting a little conservative and taking profits, and I think any big rally will be sold off. So let's see what plays out tomorrow. Have a fantastic night, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning.